So you need high density shelving systems. Not a problem. Go to storeMoreStore.com. When you get there, go in the left menu, Shelving and Racks. Click it with your left mouse button, brings up a bunch of images. Go to the fourth column over and come down and click on Sliding Mobile Shelves. There's tons of options here. The units in the back don't move. Then you can add layers coming at you that slide to the left and to the right. Here's a great video showing how easy they move. They easily slide. Grab it with a quick finger and slide it over and get to the level behind. So it's a great solution, and then just scroll all the way back up to the top. So you can get these for boxes, golf bags, literally file cabinet drawers, legal size, letter size, pharmacies, sliding bins, flip up doors, and x-ray shelving. But the key is this quick product finder. Click on the quick product finder. So what you want to do first is you want to say, do I have letter size or do I have legal size? So let's just say hypothetically you have letter. This is a 7-level system. You can see that right there. Here's an 8-level system. These are all the kits. Here's legal size, 7 levels, 8 levels. Box units that are specifically designed for box storage with a capacity of how many boxes it holds. 6 levels and 7 levels. Your bin storage, and you've got videos at the bottom. You can even add a locking door to these types of units. But how do you use this chart? Get a tape measure, measure your space, say, hey, I could fit this in, let's just say hypothetically 16 feet wide, and I have a space that's 43 inches deep. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to come down, and if I have the 16 feet wide, and say, okay, hey, there's a kit that's 15'4". Now this is built in columns. Do you want 2 rows deep, which is 27 inches? Do you want 3 rows, which is 41 inches deep, or do you want 4 rows that's 55 inches deep? If you kind of said, oh, I have that space, I can fit this unit in, all you have to do is come across that will hold 258 linear feet of capacity, and each one of these part numbers is a link. So just click right on top of that link and it will take you directly to that item. So that item is going to hold 257.83 linear feet. There's your Revit model if you need it, if you're an architect. How much does it weigh? Here are my color options. How fast does it ship? All the shelves are completely adjustable. If I want to add an accessory like file dividers, which are kind of adjustable bookends that fit into the slots in the shelves, I can add them right there. Read the terms, add it to the cart, and you'll get a price. Here's your technical specifications, those same videos I had mentioned earlier. And I showed you, including the roll down door one, and here is the assembly instructions that are available for you too. Here's the parts and the tools required for assembly, so it's pretty easy if you're a little handy or hire a handyman to do it for you. This system does come with a complete instructions, including the anti-tip device on the top. It's called a stabilizer bracket for safety features, is included in your kit. So look at that chart and determine what size you need. It's a great space-saving solution for you.